Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to manage Wi-Fi auto switch on Windows 11. You can enable or disable Wi-Fi auto switch on Windows 11 using Settings app, and here are the steps. First of all, you need to open the Settings app. You can use Windows plus I hotkey on the keyboard. This will open Windows 10 settings. Then click on this one, Network and Internet. Then select Wi-Fi in the left side. On the right, click on this one, change adapter options under related settings. Next, right click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select here a status. Then click on this one, wireless properties button. Here you can check to enable this feature or uncheck this one to disable this feature. After that, click on this one OK button, click close, and you have done it. Thanks for watching this video.